Hey there, hey there. In today's video, I'm going to give you the quick comparison between the Ao3 and then also Wattpad, like what are the main differences. So Ao3 allows more content than Wattpad does. Also, Wattpad say whatever you write, they can use in the TOS. And Ao3 is the site that allows everything as long as it's fan work. So this is the thing. Also, the Ao3, like the whole navigation and whole things, it feels a little bit not that intuitive comparing to Wattpad from the user experience, but in the end, I think it's just better. So the search for features for Wattpad is not that great. And this is the first thing. Now, when we look here, what you can actually find here is that like you see 50% satire, 25% like serious fan work, and 25% original function. So Ao3, it just feels to me that it's just like more, I don't know what to say, like community based, like it feels better in my opinion. Now, yes, when you want to browse and when you want to search something, let's say I'm going to write here Naruto, it takes some time to actually understand the whole process, but in a moment when you're gonna understand it, it's like super simple. And there is a tagging feature that you can do, a bookmarking, recommending section. And yes, I know it's a little bit less intuitive. There is like more features. And the way you can tag things, it just like, just use your intuition, you know? Like what you feel is better. Because for me, the Ao3 got kind of like this soul within, I can't really describe it. But you know, I just wanted to share this quick video. Have a great day and goodbye.